In this tutorial, we would like to show you which additional features and settings are available in Empower that you can make use of when you are in need of assistance or guidance whilst using Empower. We use the Empower version 9.2 in the PowerPoint application. However, we will give you an overview on all help and settings features that are available throughout all Office applications where we offer the software add-in Empower for. So depending on your Empower version and the Office application you are working with currently, not all of the features that are going to be demonstrated and explained in this tutorial might be available to you. All help and settings features are available via the group Extras if you click on the button Help and Settings here, and we will go through each and every one to give a short explanation on what to expect whilst clicking on each button. At first we have the Help Center. If you click on the Help Center, you are being navigated to our web presence where the support offers various information on each product or solution you have purchased, and for all the IT assistance that is working in your company. We have also a technical information troubleshooting section where very useful content is placed as well. Next, we have our tutorial videos. We have a YouTube channel. You can directly access out of Empower whilst clicking on tutorial videos. You are being navigated onto our YouTube starting site, our landing page, and click through all the tutorials that might be useful for you if you need further information on specific features or workarounds to make the most out of your Empower version and work efficiently. We also have our button Send Feedback if you want to let us know an idea you have regarding optimizing the use of Empower, for example. Feel free to contact us via the button Send Feedback. If you click on this button and you're working with Outlook or Lotus Notes, a new email is automatically being opened up, as you can already see on the screenshot here in the background. We also attach the Empower information on your system, so just so that we know, for example, which version you are currently working with, and you can let us know via email what your ideas are or if you have any specific features requests, because we always aim to make the best out of our Empower version and meet your needs whilst working in the Office applications. We also have the feature Report a Bug. If you click on this button, depending on your specific setting in your company, you might either be redirected to an internal first-level support site or email address that has been set up before installing Empower in your company, or you are being redirected to our support site where you can fill in a contact formula so that you are directly going to be communicating with our support colleagues that can assist you in your specific use case. Therefore, you have to insert the email address, so your own one, and a priority. We have a short explanation on what each classification needs. You should enter a subject that is clear to us so that we can easily check on the content you have and ensure that we know exactly how to support you, and add a short description and attach any information that is useful to us as well. And once you've done so, you can submit your request here. We also have some user settings with regards to the PowerPoint application. I will demonstrate a short overview in a few seconds on the next slides. Before we do so, let's have a look at the About Empower button. If we click on that, you receive information on what Empower version you are currently using, and who is currently logged in. This is not that much important information for the support colleagues of Empower, but what definitely is very useful and much needed is your specific version you are using. That's also stated here. So whenever you are reporting a bug, we just saw how that works, please add your Empower version here as well. We have some user settings with regards to PowerPoint. We have a different tutorial with more detailed insight on what the user settings do once they're activated. So if they help you, for example, in migrating old content to new master templates, so please check out the specific tutorial for the settings. And we also have charting settings options if you are using Empower as well for creating charts to display all the controlling data, for example, or create great overviews to demonstrate how a business year is going. A small outlook on the other applications, which are Excel, Outlook, and Word. The Office applications, there we have the features which empower language, where you can specifically choose a different language that is being displayed in the Empower ribbon. There's a small outlook here, so we have the common Office languages displayed, and you can activate them here to change the display language in the Empower ribbon. And once you have closed the Office application and restarted it, the new selected language will be displayed. Now feel free to check out all the help and settings we have available for you, and see if we have content that might be useful to you whilst working in Empower. For more information on Empower, check also our other tutorials.